They look good. They look good.
Oh, you look fresh.
So, our new pure turbos just came in. Actually, my first set of upgraded turbos I ever had. And it's gonna go on our shop car, the M240I. So let's unbox this shit. Okay.
What you got there?
It's inlets, I believe.
Smell.
It smells fresh, bro. It smells like 800 horsepower right here.
Oh shit.
Check it out. Check it out.
It's a fresh turbo.
Alright guys, we got Eric over here. We obviously got his car too. Unfortunately, we got a phone call coming in, but thank God for Tim. We're going to be going with the upgraded Pure Turbo or the Pure 800 setup for Eric's B58. Give that another smack, dude. Bam, bam, bam! So you guys will join us while we tear the car apart. Eric's going to kind of start helping me, and then you know, we'll just kind of zip through this, zoom through it, and you know, share with you guys once we get the turbo out, and hopefully a few steps through that process. So thanks for joining us.
Let's get to it.
Nice haircut. Thank you. Fresh cut.
Yes, sir.
I have seen this clip on videos before. I don't put cars back together half-assed, man. This clip, very important. Don't know what it does, but I know very important clip. Time for the beer. Got it done. Well, it's Friday. Time to relax now, though.
Install Monday?
Yeah, we'll do the install later.
Sweet.
What about a friendly money run? You came in here just guns blazing, dude. Well, have you met him, right? He's ready. You're warmed up?
I'm ready. I'm already warmed up.
Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, yeah, that car looks familiar. Your car was fast, man. It was alright. Telling us when we called him earlier that it wasn't tuned.
I was stock.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm stock too. Yeah, he has some more mods now, so just watch out.
No,
But, dude, you got gap pretty bad.
Stock turbos. I lie. I was E85. But stock turbos.
bad.
No mad.
And for full time.
Do
I
intakes
can't believe you're talking to somebody in a helmet.
Do intakes make your car fast?
Yeah.
No way.
Let's do this.
He thinks I'm Max. I don't even look like Max Ha. Max Ha's like Chinese. 100% Chinese. I'm half Asian.
What normal person is like, oh yeah, hey, yeah, like what's up, man, and then just like doesn't acknowledge
That you're just randomly wearing a
He
helmet.
literally has no idea he's getting trolled right now.
Josh, this one's just stock turbos, E85.
Didn't even use the mat. No mat.
This guy believed it for a good amount of the time, though. When you guys pulled ahead of us to get on the freeway, he's like, is that Arvin dealer?
What's up, Josh? Because actually, so stock turbo with E85 is faster than this PS stage 2. Max, you finally realized. Me not Max.
You guys joined us while we pulled out Eric's B58, stock turbo out of his car. Over here we do have the upgraded pure turbo that we're planning on putting in. It's the pure 800 model. Before we do that, we are gonna have to move over some of the original lines, refresh some of the O-rings, and of course move over the wastegate. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. That way we can proceed to getting her installed right after. This is the boring part, but it's a necessity. Locked and loaded. Yeah, B58 turbos everywhere. God damn.
What you want, kid?
Whoa, whoa! Don't point that thing at me. Don't you point that thing at
It's
me.
been pointed, motherfucker.
Marco, Carl.
Who?
Marco.
Oh,
You asked me if he has a room. He said you were gonna book him one, but he just wanted to confirm.
Tell him no tickets, no room. Just bring your boxes. That's all you need.
Okay.
I didn't know you were a Expedia rep.
Yeah, dude, Tim helps me. We run
Yeah.
Priceline, we run Expedia, we run Google
Kayak.
Hotels, Kayak, what else we got? Travelodge,
Airbnb.
Airbnb. No, we don't fuck with them.
Yeah, we kind of compete with them, so
Yeah.
they're like the mom and pop of our shit, dude. Fuck them. Action!
So we just put the Pure 800 in Eric's car. Unfortunately, in the meantime, they came out with the Pure 850. Unfortunate for us, but fortunate for someone else, because now we have a pure 850 here ready to go. So whoever's ready to make the move, hit us up.
What's going on?
We're gonna data log. Dude, the new Sienna looks like a fucking tall Camry.
Dude, it is a tall camera.
Right? It looks like a
Yeah,
fucking tall
it's
Camry.
funny. The lights are like the exact same
Yeah,
lights.
and it has a little.
Yeah, the slits. I like the slits.